सोचा था, have you ever imagined to lose 56 kg so soon?
I will not eat KFC anymore in my whole life. I'm damn sure I'm doing.
But why? Why this change is there? You used to spend your whole the earnings on KFC.
To be frank,
Why have you followed challenge 7 days for so many times? And whenever you have done challenge of 7 days, do you get the results?
I have done 4 to 5 times for separate reasons. I want to wear my 2 to 3 times I want. This is the reason I have done.
And this is your new dress, right?
Yeah.
So Dilshad, tell me, lot of people are really afraid of 7 day challenge. What was your experience and your advice to them?
Why I was very much worried, but it is not that much difficult what I thought.
What is the difference between your confidence level and in your food habits? What do you learn?
Before, in a day,
दिलशाद, आपका अभी तक 56 केजीज वेट कम हो गया है, तो 56 केजीज वेट कम कर आपको कैसा लगा?
बढ़िया लगा.
बहुत बढ़िया लगा. ठीक है, बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी गुड. सोचा था, हैव यू एवर इमेजिन्ड दैट यू विल लूज 56 केजीज सो सून?
No, I don't have this much hope also. It was like a dream.
Okay. Now you go to many classes, Zoom classes, you attend many of the school lectures. Students get motivated from you so much. Then how do you feel?
Like, I was feeling like, okay, I have done something very good. And yesterday also, I was really very happy that students were, I never expect this, like I will meet Dilshad. They are like treating me like a big star, like that they are treating me. And obviously I'm very happy.
Did they motivate you also?
Yeah, that words, obviously I got so much motivation. Then I have like, for any reason, I don't need to leave until I achieve my target.
Great. And now you are going to your home to meet your family. So are you excited to meet them and show the new Dilshad after losing 56 kgs?
Yeah, I'm very much excited. They are also very much excited. Yeah, they saw me in reels, but when my mom dropped me here, that Dilshad is totally different from this Dilshad.
Oh my God.
So let's see her reaction. What is?
Tell me 3 changes that you noticed in now new Dilshad after losing 56 kgs.
Become so white that now I don't know where is my compact powder, everything. Literally, I don't know. Only I know where is my lipstick, and my dresses become too loose, and I can walk very easily. And like if my friends call me multiple times down, also I'm going up down. But before I was not like that. I was really happy.
Okay. And in your food habits, what do you learn after losing 56 kgs?
Before, in a day, I will have 5 times, 6 times, countless. So now I learned my real hunger. And yesterday I had my food. Today I voluntarily go and had my food, but I am not feeling hungry. So I know what is my real hunger and what was a prank hunger. So I got to know the difference.
Very good. I'm really proud of you, Dilshad. And tell me about your black velvety patches. Now they are almost gone. So how do you feel?
Like every time when I wake up, I go to the mirror and I saw my neck, that my neck is visible, and the black was not almost everything was gone now.
Ooh.
So I was really happy, and my mom also. Whenever she calls show, and she says, "Oh, everything gone. I'm very happy." Like that, my mom also told.
Do you now recognize the importance of supplements or the importance of water? Do you recognize something change in your body after taking daily 4 liters of waters and taking daily supplements, omega-3, multivitamin? Do you feel the difference?
To be frank, I don't have that much knowledge about the supplement, so I don't want to more get in. But water, in starting I have lied that I finished 4 liters water to my ma'am also. But now I got to know that water is very much important, because I feel dehydration because of that. So nowadays I'm finishing my 4 liter water properly. More than 4 liter also sometimes.
Okay, that's great. That's very good. And what is your target? Tell me, which your mom told you yesterday. Which celebrity you like the most?
I like Jyotika, but my mom told for yesterday, she told, still you have to go more. Don't think that,
Come on.
don't think that you become Tamanna. Still you are not.
Still, you have to lose weight more.
Yeah.
Okay. And what is your favorite dress, Dilshad? Which dress do you want to wear after losing your weight?
Sari.
Sari.
Uh,
Okay. Proper Tamil type of sari.
Eh, Not like that any kind of sari, but I have to try once.
Okay, you like sari very much.
Ma'am, not at all I have wear in my life. No, one time like I was in 12th or something that time only. But now my age persons are wearing saris. So obviously I also want to in my cultural, like farewell. So that time everyone, I was a girls, I studied in girls college, everyone wear sari. I'm the only one wear that red color dress I have showed you now with
Okay, yeah,
button.
yeah.
I wear and I was standing. And obviously, I feel guilty. I'm not guilty. I'm feeling very sad. But I didn't show to my friends.
ओके सो सून यू विल वेयर साड़ी फॉर श्योर। तो दिलशाद को तो मैं साड़ी पहनाकर उसके सारे सपने डेफिनेटली पूरे करवाऊंगी। आप सबके सामने लाइव 56 केजीज वेट कम करवा चुकी हूँ। ओके दिलशाद टेल मी नाउ यू मस्ट हैव वॉच योर ओल्ड वीडियोस with 178 kgs and you must be watching these videos also of 124 kgs. So what is your reaction in both the videos?
To be frank, after saying don't take my phone, but almost 12 o'clock, I was trying to sleep. I had my food. I was so much excited that when February 1 will come. So sleep is not coming. I was roaming this side, that side, and I was taking and seeing my old photos. That's 2020 photos. I was very lean at the time.
Okay.
And I started watching our videos on 178. Within the 3 years, I become
3 months.
so.
Okay, 3 years from that. Yeah,
Within the 3 years, I become so fat. Even though I can't imagine, I was like that. And one video, the last video, oh my God, I become again 2-3 years back.
Okay. So you gain confidence after watching your videos.
Yes.
What is the difference between your confidence level?
Every time only one answer that I can lose weight and I will become 70 or 60, like that.
Okay, so you have that confidence.
Confident.
Okay. And Dishad, you went to New Delhi, you went to Mumbai, people start recognizing you.
Yes.
So what was your reaction?
They recognized me and they were like, we can go talk or not, we will talk or not. Like they are waiting for me. My shoots was going, and so many people. One girl, sorry, not girl. She's so age 30 plus. She's running and coming. Hey, Dilsha, like that. And she said, I saw you in Instagram, and I was really surprised that people are running and coming and talking to me, and they are asking my number. So obviously, I was very, very happy, and that everyone got motivation from me. That motivates me a lot.
Wow, that's what I want to hear. That motivates you a lot. That really I want to know about that. Okay. So Dilshad, now tell me, you are going your home back to meet your parents. So what all you going to eat over there again?
My mom food actually.
Okay.
Biryani, sambar, rasam, and idli, dosa, kind of.
What else? KFC?
No, I will not eat KFC anymore in my whole life. I'm damn sure I'm telling.
Oh really?
Yeah.
But why this change is there? You used to spend your whole the earnings on KFC, like you
Yeah.
told me before. So why? Is there any kind of fight with KFC?
I have two reasons. One is like if I started eating again, the taste, no, it will tell me to eat again. If I go home permanently also, I can't control myself. And second thing is my chef, this hostel chef. Actually, he worked in KFC, so he explained me how it works and all. So
Okay.
he explained me like they added so many flour and this and not good oil. Everything he explained me. So after I talked with him, so it is not that much good thing what I thought. So we can permanently stop eating it. So obviously I will tell to my sister, daughter, and son. They called me 2 to 3 days before and they told order KFC for us to home. Then I told whatever you want I will order and give, but this I will not give. I also stopped eating. You also I will not allow you to eat.
वाओ वेरी गुड दिलशाद, दैट इज अ वेरी टर्निंग पॉइंट इन योर स्टोरी। बट दिलशाद तो बहुत ज्यादा सच में मोटिवेटेड है। केएफसी भी जिंदगी भर नहीं खाएगी, ये दिलशाद ने अभी बोला है और डिसाइड करा है, और अपनी लाइफ टोटली बदल कर ही रहेगी। दिलशाद, आई एम स्टार्टिंग नो फूड चैलेंज फॉर 7 days and it is starting on 5th February and you have done it for nearby 4 to 5 times, right?
Yeah.
So what was your experience?
I thought it will be more difficult, but it is not actually as I think. It is really very easy. Just like that, it went.
It will go, okay?
Yeah.
So ask them to join that also.
Obviously, if I do, you can also do it. So please, jaldi join karo.
Dilshad, in 7 days, no food challenge, of what things we have to take care of?
Water, supplement, proper sleep, and keep your mobile away. 10 o'clock.
One thing I also want to add, salt.
Salt.
Yes?
Ah.
Very good.
Because okay, salt.
Okay, because?
No, because nowadays I am not taking it properly now, so it is not in my mind actually. But I have to take it properly. My teachers are really trying to give me salt. How, like, if it is not a salt water, in what way they can give me? They are trying actually. So I got to know salt water. Salt is very much important. I will also follow from today.
Okay. Now, Dilshad, tell me, why have you followed no food challenge 7 days for so many times? Why have you done it for so many times?
I have done 4 to 5 times for separate reason.
Okay.
One time I want to wear my one new dress that was tight for inch loss. I have done, and one time 2 to 3 times I done it for my I want to achieve some target, and yeah, this is the reason I have done
Okay, great.
weight loss, inch loss.
Weight loss and inch loss. And whenever you have done no food challenge of 7 days, do you get the results?
Of course.
Of course. What kind of results?
See.
We can see the results. And this is your new dress, right?
Yeah.
What size is this? Tell me something about this. This is looking very pretty.
I don't remember actually what is the
Okay.
size.
But this is a ready-made stitched one.
Yeah.
You don't get ready-made stitched one
Every,
before.
every time my mom only stitch dress for me and I will wear. But nowadays in shop, in online store, I get dresses for my size.
Wow.
Even though it was loose.
Oh, really?
So next time I'm planning to buy one
One size smaller.
smaller.